So you're not going to believe this, but it happened again. When I was doing a makeup tutorial about 2 hours ago, my video cut in half because I ran out of space on my phone, and now it happened again. I had to delete a whole bunch of baseball videos of my son. So I'm going to try to rush through this because I don't want to have this be 3 videos. As it is, I'm already going to be unhappy that it's 2 videos. But anyway, so here's where I left off. So we were talking about connotations of words. And so let me tell you, it's how the word is used that gives it a positive, negative, or neutral connotation to it, okay? For example, in order for you guys to have like a better sense of it, I made an example here. Here we have 3 words: group, clique, and club. Okay, all of these 3 words have the same denotative meaning. They are all a set of more than one person. Okay, however, one of these words has a positive connotation. One of them has a neutral connotation, and the other one has a negative connotation. Do you want to guess which one? All right, check this out. The word group has a neutral connotation. Why? Because group simply describes a number of people, and the word doesn't inspire positive or negative feelings. Okay? So that would be the positive one. Okay? The positive one. So the yellow stands for neutral, and the red with the little sad face stands for negative, okay? Clique, that's the negative one. That's why I have it in red marker. Clique also describes a group of people, but it's typically used in circumstances where the group is known for excluding others. So it's kind of a turnoff because it's an unwelcoming aspect to the word clique. I don't know if you've ever heard of people like in the movies, or maybe you yourself when you were younger, or your kids use the word, no te metas con mi clica. It means that you have a group of people and you guys think that you're the baggage chips, and you think that only certain type of people belongs in your clique because you're somehow different and better than others. That's where the negativity comes in. The word club, that's a positive connotation because a club is a collection of people that voluntarily come together for a shared position, for a shared passion or a shared purpose. Okay, so same denotative meaning. So these can be synonyms for each other, but if you use the word group, you'll have a very neutral sense. It won't spike anybody's feelings. Clique will. This is kind of like a gang, okay? And club is very, very positive because, just look at how many clubs there are all over the world, and that's why that word is more popular than these 2. Okay? Now, you want to play a little game? Let's play a little game. Here you have some words. Interesting, questioning, or nosy. Which one of these 3 words is the positive one? Interesting, questioning, or nosy? If somebody is interested in something, is it the same as them being questioning of something or being nosy? Immediately, you are drawn to nosy being the negative one, right? Absolutely. You could probably find the negative one in here also. Use, employ, and exploit. Exploit is a negative one, right? What about here? Stingy, saving, or thrifty. That describes a person that's a little frugal, that likes to save their money, that doesn't like to spend a lot. Stingy is a negative one, right? So the negative ones are usually really easy to find, which is it's good news to you, because those are the ones that you want to be careful not to use, because those are the ones that are gonna get you in trouble. It doesn't really matter if there's a very, very hard, how do I say this? That it's very hard for you to kind of tell between which one is the positive and which one is the neutral, because that's not going to get you in trouble, okay? But let me just give you the answers here. Employ is the positive one, okay? And use is the neutral one. So if you say, I'm going to use you to help me make decorations for my kid's piñata, it's, no big deal. It's a neutral one, right? If I say, may I employ you to help me make the candy bags for my kid's piñata, that's actually positive, because it's kind of flattering. May I exploit you? Oh, that's negative. Why? Because exploit kind of means I'm not going to pay you. You're going to be my slave. Do you get where I'm going with this? Okay, and so here with saving and with thrifty's positive. Why? Because it's a really cool word. I don't know how to explain it other than just to tell you it's when you're thrifty, you're kind of creative in being able to save your money. And so you're versatile, kind of like a MacGyver. And saving is the neutral one. Okay? So that's a little quiz right there. So we've come to the end of my lesson. I want you to understand that it's important to get the difference between positive and neutral and negative connotations. It's okay for you to use neutral and positive. If you're being persuasive, try to use the positive ones. If you don't want to offend, don't use the negative ones. Stay away from them, okay? And I'm going to leave you with one final task. This is your homework, okay? I want you to explain what this following thought means, okay? And I want you to put it, when you watch my video, when it's already uploaded to YouTube, I want you to put your idea of what this thought means. And the one that I like the best will be the winner. And the prize will be that I'm going to give you a shout out in the next video. Okay? And here it is. If you can't stop thinking about it, don't stop working on it. Think about it. What does this thought mean? If you can't stop thinking about it, don't stop working on it. What does it mean? Put it in the comments. Until then, it's been real. Love you. And I hope you enjoy my life coaching video on using wise words. All right, guys. Have a good evening. Bye-bye.